Assalamualaikum and good morning to our representative lecturer. We are from group CC2226C5. My name is HAFIZ HASSAN, and together with my group members, Muhammad ZIKRI Iqbal bin Muhammad NAZRI and YAMIN BUKHARI bin MAZHAR, today we will present our project titled Sustainable Solution Toward Clean Water as an Intention for Orang Asli Communities, Water Treatment Plants and Sewage Treatment Plants, designed for Kampung Orang Asli at Pos Kemar Perak. So, let me begin with the introduction. Kampung Orang Asli Pos Kemar is a remote village located inside a forest area in Perak. The village consists of approximately 100 households with a total population of around 500 person. On average of each household have about 5 family members, and the village currently mainly use river as water source for primary source such as cooking, bathing, and other daily activities. So, the main objective of our project is to estimate the total water demand and wastewater generation rates for Kampung Wasi at Pos Kemar Perak, design sustainable water treatment plants and wastewater treatment plants for Kampung Asli. And lastly, ensuring the system comply with regulatory standards such as DOE and SPAN. But our project have three key main challenges which the Pos Kemar has limited electricity supply, there is no water system, and the communities is in the risk of help. Secondly, I move to problem statement, which is the major issue at Pos Kemar is the uh lack proper water and wastewater treatment facility that contain that give the nearby river is the untreated water as wastewater that contain is physical contaminants, chemical contaminants, and biological contaminants that can cause loss of food source for the communities, eutrophication for the nearby river, and the waterborne disease among the communities. After that, we move to regulatory standard that we use to design water treatment plants and wastewater treatment plants. Firstly is DOE, which is Department of Environment Malaysia, which regulate environmental protection and wastewater discharge. Second, Suruhanjaya Perkhidmatan Air Negara, SPAN, that responsible for regulatory water supply. WHO, World Health Organization, guidelines to ensure safe drinking water quality. And lastly, MS 1228 to that provide guidelines to design and installation of sewage treatment system. Next, I move to Muhammad Zikri Iqbal for the next topic.
Okay, next, I will explain the water demand analysis. The proposed system is designed for 400 residents living in 100 households at Kampung Orang Asli Pos Kemar. The average daily water demand is 90 cubic meters per day, while the maximum daily demand is 162 meters per day. During peak hour, the demand reached at 16.88 cubic meters per hour, with a peak flow of 4.69 meters per second. Based on the water usage, the estimated wastewater flow is 72 cubic meters per day. These values are used to determine the design capacity for both the water treatment plant and sewage treatment plant. Next, for water treatment plant, or WTP, the treatment process is start by taking raw water from nearby river. The water pass through a screen to remove large debris before going through coagulation and filtration, where fine particles are combined into larger flocks. Next, the water enter the sedimentation tank, where suspended solids settle to the bottom, and it is then filtered through a rapid sand filter before undergoing chlorination to remove harmful bacteria. Finally, the treated water is stored in a clean water reservoir before being distributed to the village. To improve sustainability, most of the pumps and electrical equipment are powered by solar energy. This reduces operating costs and makes the system suitable for remote Orang Asli community where electricity supply may be limited. Next, for sewage treatment plant or STP. The STP treats domestic wastewater before it is safely discharged into the environment. The wastewater first pass through screening, followed by grit and grease removal. Then follow through a series of biological treatment points where natural microorganisms break down organic pollutants. After disinfection, the treated water is safely released while the remaining sludge is dry for proper disposal. Similar to WTP, the STP also uses solar energy to power its essential equipment, making it energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Overall, this system is simply low maintenance, cost effective, and high suitable for a rural orang asli community such as Kampung Orang Asli Poskema. Next up,
Next, we will move to the sustainability evaluation. As we propose this project, we actually has made two of the SDGs, which is SDG 6 about clean water and sanitation, and also SDG 14, which is life below water. As we approach these two SDGs, we actually has provide the 6 policies that governed by the Suruhanjaya Pengurusan Air Negara to ensure that our water treatment plant and wastewater treatment plant is built according to the sustainable development. And also, for the energy and resource efficiency, we are focusedly on the renewable energy with the use of the biogas anaerobic digestion and solar panels to ensure the electricity supply for the water and wastewater treatment plant is continuously in the rural area. Our quality and regulatory compliance, since our effluent only focus on the river effluent, we use the standard B compliance of the Department of Environment to ensure our river is treated evenly. And for the socio-environmental impact, we had an impact to reduction of pollutants entering the ecosystem, such as river at Sungai Temenggo. We also improve the socio and health benefits, secure clean water supply, and reduce waterborne disease risks. Our expected outcomes is to the safe drinking and water supply to the community of the Poskema, reduce pollution and discharge into the Sungai Temenggo, improve river water quality and aquatic system, reduce risk of waterborne disease, and lastly, to lower the energy consumption and have a better sludge management. As a conclusion, by providing the safe drinking water and effective wastewater treatment, this project is aimed and expected to improve public health, reduce river pollution, and protect the Sungai Temenggo ecosystem. The use of conventional water treatment plant and stabilization pond offers a reliable, low maintenance, and cost-effective solution for the rural communities. From this project, we aim to hit the sustainable development goal, and also in the same time, we also want to meet the standard that had been set by the government to ensure our water treatment plant and wastewater treatment plant meet the standard. So, this is our location of Kampung Orang Asli at Poskema Perak. And this is our chat about the water treatment and wastewater treatment flow. And that's all. Thank you for having us. Assalamualaikum.